This video about Ethernet cable preparation. Ethernet cable types: straight cable, cross cable, and rollover or console. Straight cable arrangement is shown here. Cross cable arrangement is shown here. Rollover cable arrangement is shown here. Let us see the Ethernet straight cable preparation. Step 1. Measuring and cutting the cable. Step 2. Stripping the cable jacket. Step 3. Cut off the pair separator and the ripcord. Step 4. Untwist and arrange the wires. Step 5. Cut wires to the proper length. Step 6. Insert wires into the connector. Step 7. Crimping the connector. Step 8. Testing the cable. Now, connect one side of the Ethernet cable at the PC Ethernet port. Connect another side of the Ethernet cable at switch Ethernet port. Now, the connection is established between a device and the network switch. Hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, please. Thank you for watching this video.